Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Radhika Sharma and you are watching Sociology for Beginners. So today we are going to start Social Institutions, Continuity and Change, chapter 3rd of Sociology. So let's start with a great energy, with high energy, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, those who have unsubscribed it, and do like my video and share it with your friends as well. So let's start. So guys, social institutions, continuity and change. If we start with the chapter, first of all, we should know what is the meaning of institutions. Institutions are humanly devised structures because you know that what are institutions? There are rules and norms that shape and constrain individual behavior. In any institution, whether it will be formal institution like your school, like any formal institution, or is there any informal institution? There are rules and regulations. Informal, like your family, your religion, there are rules and regulations which shape your behavior. So all definition of institution generally entail that there is a level of persistence and continuity. So these laws and these norms are there to shape our human behavior, to shape our behavior, and to have persistency and continuity, like the way they are written, the way if they are not written, the rules are not written. For family, for institution like religion, there are written rules. Yes, आपको ये चीज करनी है और ये नहीं करनी है. So उस चीज के लिए मतलब like उस institution को continue रखने के लिए, like family is a very it's a necessity. We can say that it is a great institution which tells us what is right, which tells us what is wrong, which tells us how to live a life, which socialize us. So these are necessary to a institution, for an institution to be continued. These laws, rules, social conventions, and norms are all examples of institutions. Institutions vary in their level of formality and informality. Like there are some informal institutions and formal institutions as well. Okay, so guys, let's move towards another slide. I hope the meaning of institution is clear. An institution is anything which is a humanly devised structure in which there are certain rules which we used to follow in order to maintain the continuity and persistence in a society. Okay, so I hope this you will remember and you can write in your exams. So you don't have to cram anymore. You just have to learn by your heart. Okay, and with this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's move ahead. Social institutions. Now, you should know what are the meaning of social institutions. Social institutions help in the process of socialization, like your family, like your religion, like your kinship, and encourage societies to maintain healthy social relationship, which encourage us to maintain healthy social relationship is a social institution. Okay, a social institution is a group or organization. जैसे हमारी family members होते हैं. You know why I'm insisting more on family? Because it is a first institution which socializes how to live in a society, how to behave with someone, so that our social relationships got got that reality, got that bond, so that we can connect with each other in a good way. Specific rules, norms, and expectations, and also there are some expectations from an institution which functions to meet the social needs of society, जो function करते हैं ताकि हम needs of society को fulfill कर सकें. The family, the government, religion, caste, tribe, education, and media are all examples of social institution. So guys, I hope it's clear. Social institutions वो institutions होते हैं, for those who cannot understand English, that वो institutions सोसाइटी में होते हैं और जिनके कुछ रूल्स होते हैं, कुछ लॉज होते हैं, जिनको हम अवॉइड करते हैं, जिनको हम मानते हैं, सो दैट हम उस इंस्टीट्यूट, जो वो इंस्टीट्यूट है या जो लोग हैं उस इंस्टीट्यूशन में, वो अच्छे से फंक्शन कर सके और उसकी वजह से सोसाइटी अच्छे से फंक्शन कर सके. दिस इज हाउ सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशंस वर्क एंड दिस इज हाउ सोशलाइजेशन हैपेंस. ओके, so now types of social institution in your this chapter, in this year, chapter 3rd of social institutions, we have 3 types of social institutions which we are going to study. But as overall, we can say there are family, education, religion, and economics, government, everything, whichever you find in institution is a, whichever you find in society is a social institution. So caste, tribe, family, and kinship are the three institutions which we are going to study one by one. So let me give you a quick introduction about these three institutions, and then we will carry on with our in our next video, the meaning of caste, what is caste system, and how you are going to study in your this chapter, what about the caste. Okay, so caste is an institution which also has some norms, some rules, and which is, existing from very long time back, and which is very different at that time, and which is very different at the present, which we are going to study. What is the meaning of caste? We are going to study about this institution. What are the features of a caste? Like there is hierarchy, there is segmental division, there is restrictions on marriages and all. This is what we are going to study in caste. Okay, in tribe we are going to study the meaning of tribe, how the tribe culture is different from the the society in, the society at present, how they do not want to interfere in the rules, in the role, in the in the culture of the newly existing societies, how tribes are different, and how they have been given the these kind of, we can say, reservations, why they need that. And also the family and kinship, which is very important. I'm telling you from the very beginning that family is an institution which tells us how to live in a society, how to exist in a society, how to behave in a society. And kinship, of course, is the relationships we have, the kins we have, the family we have, the primary kins we have, the secondary kins we have, the siblings we have. Okay, so this is all about family and kinship. Also, these are the social institution, which is very easy chapter, I can say, and you will be learning very it in a very interesting way. So yeah, be in touch and keep watching Sociology for Beginners, and we will be meeting our next video very soon, of course. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and do start keep watching Sociology for Beginners. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.